Just cut down a bunch of banana here. You for the top of the hill, so I damn peep down in the gully here. I say, what, one bunch of banana on the tree there. Let me put them for ripe too. Some bunch of banana on the tree. You ever see how far I have to walk? Come down and chop out through them places to walk. I plant a jackfruit tree, as you see it here. And I plant a breadfruit tree, as you see. Breadfruit tree, I come down, as you see. Come plant. Yeah. Them banana tree there. You know, really me plant them still. Look. Have them banana tree there. Down there, so. Now look and say, wait. That look like banana. So I come down in the gully and can see what I'm going. Come down in the gully now. Still left one bunch there the same way. So I can zoom it. Still left one bunch. That one perfect. That one bunch of planting. One tree drop down on this with planting. I said, I asked you, so much thing a long time, I don't come down in the bush do, you know. Yeah. All planting tree a drop. When I pass, I go feed banana. I see them planting. As I say, the tree drop. Planting a fit. Let them can't eat, man. Yeah. Look, bunch of couple and a planting. Drop off. Tree drop down. Like the weight. You know, I take out them sucker here and carry them go plant up. So, because them the right on the hillside, so no hold them too tough. Yeah. Now carry them. Come back for them. Make them plant the stay still. I don't know if them can get a little more strength up. Even though the tree is up on the ground, but the root kind of left on the ground, see me. Yeah. I go on bad. One time gone from way down there, so I come from. With the banana. All up on the top up there, so I used to plant whole heap of corn. Whole heap of corn I used to plant all over there. So. Yeah, so go straight back down to them banana tree there. I used to plant sorrel. Sorrel line off the two sides, so. A pure sorrel. Just come from what you mean on a sorrel seed, and I just come and watch it. That little sorrel tree I see bust up. I go and nurture it and see if I can get some seed back from it, because December gone, I don't get no sorrel. Wood across there, so it's full, I have to clean up back here, so. So it's full of sorrel one time. Yeah, man, here, so I clean up. Cut out now, go for your walk and cut out. Have more banana, cocoa, dasheen, cassava. It's a different, this is the next farm from down, so. Plant up a whole heap of cane, so. Yeah, dasheen. Dasheen. Cane all up there, so. Banana, plant, pear. Yeah. And more banana here, my plant, so. I have one ackee tree, so. Again. I have two ackee trees come up good. One here, so. And one in the next farm. Got two farms around. Yeah, one from the land there we have to plant. Breadfruit.